Hey guys, JNinjaCat here. Today I'm going to be showing you a cool little experiment. We are going to be making clouds. From a water bottle and rubbing alcohol. So, a cool thing with water bottles is that, let me set that aside. Look, if you empty it out, but not in the sink, save the turtles, guys, pinch it like 2 inches away from the bottom, and kind of get it twisty. Okay, then, if you begin to twist it, and then you put the cap on. But you need a little bit of air in there. Twist it, and it will start to build pressure. And if there's enough pressure, you unscrew this a tiny bit, and there's a lot of pressure. And sometimes, like mist will actually come out of it. We are going to enhance this trick, however, with rubbing alcohol. So take a tiny bit in the lid, like about half the cap, then pour it inside. Now, we're going to put the lid on and make sure we coat the entire thing. Kind of spiral it around. Let a little bit of air out. Pinch it. And now, start do this. It's a little slippery, but okay. Now we release it. Boom. Mist comes out. Is that cool, or is that cool? Okay, guys, this has been a cool little experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time. Also, I'm not responsible if you get sued for shooting someone with that.